Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add contact direct message widget on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold on the screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, you only have to do is click the widget. And okay guys, here in contact widget, there are options here, the contact, direct dial, and direct message. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add direct message widget to your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the widget to add to your home screen. And now you can set the position of your widget. And after that, okay, automatically create direct message shortcut. And okay guys, so I choose one of my contacts. So for my example, I choose this one. And okay guys, here you can see the contact on your widget. And now, okay, we can try it. Okay, click the widget and automatically create the message to your contact. And okay guys, we have successfully add the contact direct message widget on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.